today we are going to do question number 1, exercise 1.6, number system. The question is find 64 raised to power 1 by 2. You have to find the value of this. So you have to simplify this. Now listen very carefully. What is the power of 64? 1 by 2. What is the denominator of the power? 2. So 64 you have to write in exponential form. So the power, whenever you are writing in power form, the power should be 2. So 64 can be written as 8 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2. So that is equal to 8 square 1 by 2. So that is equal to 8 square into 1 by 2. So the answer will be 8. So that means the base should be written in such a manner that the power of the base should be same as the denominator of the power. Now second part, 32 raised to power 1 by 5. So how you can write 32 as? You have to write 32 in exponential form and the power of that number should be 5. So this 32 can be written as 2, 4, 2, 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 5 into 1 by 5. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 5 into 1 by 5. So this 5 gets cancelled. The answer is 2. Now C part, 125 raised to power 1 by 3. Again 125 can be written as, you have to write in exponential form and the power of that number should be 3. So 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 1 by 3. So 5 into 5 into 5 means 5 cube into 1 by 3. So this 3 can get cancelled and 5 is the answer. So this is question number 1. Question number 2, find, this is also same. A, the question is 9 raised to power 3 by 2. So again, what is the denominator of the power? 2. So 9 also should be written in exponential form. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3, 3 by 2. So 3 into 3 means 3 square into 3 by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. So 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27. So it is answer. B part, 32 raised to power 2 by 5. Again 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 raised to power 2 by 5. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So this is how you get. So this can be written as 2 raised to power 5 into 2 by 5. So this 5 gets cancelled. So 2 square is 4. C part, 16 raised to power 3 by 4. See again, what is the denominator of the power? 4. So 16 can be written as 4 square also, but that I will not write because here the denominator of the power is 4. So 16 should be written in such a manner, when you are writing in exponential form, the power should be 4. So 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 to the 16. This is how you write. So 2, 4 into 3 by 4. See, 2 raised to power 4 because 4 times 2 is multiplying. So 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 8. Now last, 125 raised to power minus 1 by 3. Okay. So 125. Again 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 raised to power minus 1 by 3. So this can be written as 5 cube into minus 1 by 3. So this 3 can get cancelled. So what you are left with? 5 raised to power minus 1. So this negative power, when you have to convert it into positive, you can write down 1 by 5 raised to power 1. So this is the answer. Okay. So negative power can be converted into positive by doing the reciprocal. So reciprocal means 1 by something. So this question number 2 is done. Question number 3, simplify. Now here the base is same, multiplication sign is there. So what do we do with the power? we add the power. So we are going to use this law. So using law of exponent. So what is that law of exponent? We are going to use x raised to power m into x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power m plus n. So what you'll get? 2 raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So what you'll get? 3 into 5 LCM and 5 into 3. So 2 raised to power 10 plus 3 by 15. So 2 raised to power 13 by 15. Okay. So this is the answer. Now second part. 1 by 3 cube raised to power 7. So how you can solve this as 1 by 3 cube. So 3 cube, when it comes in the numerator, it becomes 3 raised to power minus 3 raised to power 7. So this becomes 3 raised to power minus 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so this is the answer. So when there is denominator is written in form of power, when you bring it in the numerator, the power becomes negative. Here which rule we are using? X raised to power m into n is equal to x raised to power mn. So when they are two power, they multiply. 11 raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to power 1 by 4. So which rule? Base is same, division sign. So which rule we will use here? X raised to power m divided by x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power m minus n. So when the base is same, division sign, we subtract the power. So according to that, 11 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So denominators are different. So we'll find out the LCM. So into 2 into 1. So 2 minus 1. 1 by 4 will be the answer. Okay. Last question, question number 3. 7 raised to power half into 8 raised to power half. So which rule of exponent we will use here? Here the base are different but the power is same. So it is in the form of x raised to power m into y raised to power m. So base are different and power is same. So the answer will be x into y raised to power m. Okay. So according to this, you can write 7 into 8 raised to power half. So 56 raised to power half, or half means root 56. Okay. This root means half. So this is the answer. So this exercise is done.